That's right. Guess what I just did? I just did a short YouTube video. They call them YouTube shorts on what's in that box. So make sure you watch that. I think you will enjoy it. All right. This is David. I run Fred Sanford's Sewing. I specialize in finding sewing machines and vintage sewing machine parts, as well as new parts. This video is going to be called Organizing Thousands of Sewing Machine Parts, Part 2. We're gonna see what we got going. I actually changed the system up a little bit. And I just got some basic bags of stuff, spool pin. This is from the part 1. So all the part 1's organized. All the guys are guarding their own box. That looks pretty much in focus. So let's see what we have. So, where do these parts come from? I bought out a company. Oh, it's been about 3 years and 2 months now. Arbuckles, located in Indiana. Maybe it's near you. Was near you. We were emptying out the place to sell the building. The building was very valuable. Had a lot of square feet there. So I think the best thing to do is I'm going to just kind of pull this stuff out. I think. Those are just boxes and boxes. We're going to eliminate this big box and get it off the table here. And this is going to take a bit because there's a lot of little parts. In the last box, I found some interesting new single slant shank feet, which most of them have sold because they were definitely different. I'm actually in search for a new overcast foot by request. So let's see what we got here. For now, I'm not going to organize them. I'm not going to put them all away. I'm just going to put everything into one box and then I'll organize it later into bags. But we'll show you what we have here. Let's start with this box. Let me get the old man glasses. Ooh, hinges. Show you what kind of hinges. Your table hinges. Sweet, good find. Ooh, lots of hardware. Cabinet hinge dedicated wood screws. Someone was just asking me about these. And I says I've been putting it off for the last 2 years trying to find them at the hardware. If they're even available at the hardware. They fit perfectly in your 1-hole and 2-hole hinges. Here we go. Hinge screws, wood screws, hinges. There's actually a bag here just for hardware. Maybe I'll just pull this hardware bag out. Instead of putting all this little hardware, we're going to just drop it in the bag here. I hope that's in focus. Hinge screws. Let me see. I just want to make sure. About there. Okay. Dedicated hinge screws. Empty. Empty. 2-hole hinges. 2-hole hinges. Ooh. Oh, they call it a head clamp. I never knew that's what it was called. And that's that little part that holds the machine to a sewing machine base. That would go under hardware as well. Ooh. Viking Brother lower knife. Lower knife. And then there's a Brother upper knife, but it appears to be empty. More hinges. They're the big old ones. Got plenty of those. Oh boy, my fans. Not home. Just kidding. I'm in a video. Oh, spool pins. I'll call you back later. There's usually a way to send a message, but it's not letting me. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so what do we have here? I'm looking at it. I don't know what it is. It's a hook washer for a console. All right. More hardware screws. Hook set screws, console. Some nuts. All right. That's it. Box number 1 gone. I guess this is all hardware, basically. Alright, box number 2. Brother Series Lug Belt. Oh, it's empty. Oh, spool pin. Springs. 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 The hinge that goes into a bent wood case. Some more hinges. A needle plate. That says it's to a Brother. List at $16. A bobbin winder. Salvage from a model 158-1318. Bobbin winder. Bobbin winder. Wait, isn't there a bobbin winder? I thought there was a bobbin winder. Okay. There's so many, I'm just going to get a bag here for them. That's a broken bobbin winder. As the Kenmore, their genuine bobbin tires were flat. I don't even know if you can get them like that anymore. But the round ones work. Let's say this one has the round one on it. They're broken. They're broken bobbin winders. But maybe you can salvage something. Some appear to be brand new. Or just salvage. Some are labeled salvage from a Kenmore 1320. Oh, cool. Makes my job easier. Go ahead and label it. Some are not labeled. Well, a whole bag, bunch. That was what 12 bobbin winders. Where's the marker? Oh, it's heavy already. Usually I like to mark them before I start filling them. Bobbin. There was so many of them, I just figured I'd just go ahead and put that right behind bobbin case. Alright, where we at here? There's a, I'm talking about bobbin case, maybe there's a whole bunch of them. We'll just grab this bag. This is a bobbin case for a Singer something or another, $25, model 6412. Empty bag. There's bobbins that go in the same bag as the bobbin case. Here's a tension assembly. I'll just open the bag, throw that in there. Another tension assembly. They appear to be new. There's a lot of plastic. Singer list for 25. I don't know. Mostly plastic. Here's some more hardware. Hey, I was just looking for these. Good Class Singer or others. I think maybe they're not what I think they are. But they go under hardware. Goodbye. Alright. I see a bunch of shuttle hooks. So there is a shuttle hook bag. Shuttle hook bag. We just do it like this. Can we see them? Just a bunch of shuttle hooks. We just dump them in the bag. Boom. That's the way I roll. That's a good way to organize. Where are we at? We'll put the bobbin case back, because I'm not seeing any. What's in this bag? What? I'm looking at it. I don't know what it is. Get rid of the paper bag. Somebody must know what these are. Oh, paperwork. Ah. Very interesting, huh? Place the brackets. Ooh. For machines without permanent wired controls. I don't know. A whole bunch of these kind of brackets. If anybody knows what they are. Alright. There's a bunch of them with instructions. What are we at here? Oh, bobbin case. Can we just have the bobbin case out? Let's pull it back out. Oh, what are we at? Let's might as well say what they're for. Maybe someone can use it. A bobbin case. It looks like a Singer 306, but let's see if I'm wrong. It's a Chandler Millie Mears brand. Defective bobbin case. Salvage from Millie Meal. Alright. Good to know. Wonder what they... Whoa! Ginormous bobbins. Console. Woohoo! It's a new cat toy. Oh, I hate to step on it though. Bobbin case. Empty bag. The springs. Should we put it under bobbin case springs? Yep. Bobbin case tension springs. Bobbin case. Guess I'm in the tension spring business now. I own... Ooh, feed dogs. I got a thing for feed dogs. Feed dogs, feed dogs. Alright, and now we got brand new needle plates. Are they graduated? They don't look like it. They don't have the lines on them. Just plain old, look like, yep, Singer Class 15. Too bad they don't have the lines. That's what everybody wants. Who wants the plain Jane ones? But they're brand new anyways. No needle strikes. If you need a plain Jane Class 15 needle plate, which it's under, where are the needle plates? MN. I got them alphabetized. Oh, it's hiding. Okay. And this is a Class 15. Oh, is it broken? It is a little. Is it broken? Yeah, it looks like the little corners broke off on each side of the original Singer 15 bobbin or cover plate, and I bet you it'll still work. But it's common that those springs break. What are these? I'm looking at it and I still don't know what it is. Okay, I'm looking at it with my glasses on. Well, you can't see through nasty plastic. It's the thingamajigger. So I now own about 5 of those thingamajiggers. Under hardware if anybody needs them. Hey, springs. Springs. I actually have a spring bag here. I guess I am sorting them because so many of the same things, I could just put them in. I was expecting more of a variety. And why is it so hard to find? It should be under S. Spring. What's a shuttle bracket? What do you know? Now I know. A shuttle bracket. A shuttle bracket. You put it under shuttle hook. Close enough. Another Class 15. Sweet. Because I go through a lot of these. Another Class 15 cover plate. Cover plate. Yes, I am organizing. What else we have? Hey, some more of those things without being inside the plastic. Maybe you can see a better look at them. under hardware. And what are these? A clutch spring. Clutch spring. Well, why don't we just put it under springs? It is a spring. Here is a, I don't know why there's a big old, look at that. It's a big old note for one bobbin. For one bobbin. So we'll put that in the bobbin case. I don't feel like reading it right now. Hey, we got gears. Gears. Where should gear go? Sinker 413, 416, 418, 457, 466, 477, 478. Hey, they look new or pretty good. Is it pretty good? I can't tell. We'll put that gears under hardware. And goodbye. We have a slant shank hammer. Slant shank hammer. There is a slant shank box there. Ooh, ginormous bobbins. Wow. They look so cool. They look like they're industrial. List for a couple bucks each. So, a couple dollars each. I'll have to go with the recommendations. Or maybe I'll slash. Knock that price in half. Since I have no clue what they go to. What are these? These are 141382. What I always wanted. What is this? Where's the old man glasses? Feed dog. Feed dog. 3115 console. Yes! Anybody needs it, they appear to be brand new. 3115, brand new. Let's make a deal on those feed dogs. What's this thing? Another feed dog. A commercial application, it says. I need these. The rare bed cushion screws. Sweet! Are they new? They look kind of... No, they're not what I'm used to seeing. You know what these look like? They look like more of a cap, like something Kenmore used on some of their extension tables. Well, it's like a cap. And that's going under hardware if anybody needs a cap. Kind of a... And here's a single needle plate straight stitch. Commercial black. Commercial black. That goes under needle plates. Goodbye. Going on 18 minutes. We might have to, yeah, I don't want it to cut automatically. I think I'm good for up to 20 minutes. Let's take a look what else we got here. A shirt tail trimmer. Just a hammer. I don't know what they're talking about. And a shearing foot. Shearing foot they call it. Low shank shearing foot. Ooh! Yes! I think I know what that is. Maybe I don't. Oh, some low shank singer feet. Binder. We got a binder, low shank binder. Some needles. I don't know what's so special about them. They're kind of long. Some Toyota knife. We'll just read some of these. Commercial 3115. 3115 long needle spool pins. We have some low shank, wide adjustable zipper darning foot. Maybe a little piping in there too. Here's, looks like some more 3115 spool pins. It doesn't say, but ooh, cool little felts. No clue. They shape like a football. Football felts. We got football felts. We got more spool pins. It looks like the 3115. I got 3115 spool pins now. I got these the needle set screws. Is that what they call them? More blades. Upper knife blades. Toyota blades. More Toyota blades. Let's just read them off. Singer, that thing. Feed dogs. Yes, graduated plates of some sort. Let's open it up because these are highly requested. They appear to be Singer 15. 201 perhaps. Are they the same? I'm pretty sure they about that size, but I don't know where the bag went. Feed dogs. Oh yes, I need that. Some high shank feet for 31, Singer 31. This is a 201 plate. It's probably on my request list. 201 plate. All right, let's end it. And we'll start part 3 here and just continue off here. Thanks for watching. Part 3 coming soon.